Hi, Wagwan, it's LeekaJai. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Style in Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. This is by far one of my favorite transformations. Why? Because I love this style of shirt and I'm about to be doing it for at least 3 more of my other shirts for my summer vacation. So if you'd like to see this DIY, then go ahead and keep watching. Here are the few supplies I use for this DIY: a scissors, a ruler, and a chalk. To get started, I'm going to cut open the front of the shirt, but before doing that, I'm going to draw a straight line to guide me. So now I'm folding over the middle just to widen the opening to get more cleavage. Once I'm finished pinning it down, I'm going to try it on to make sure it's wide enough for my liking, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew the front down. I want to make this into a crop top, but you can make it however you'd like. So what you want to do is to try the shirt on and then just mark how short you want it to be. Then go ahead and lay it on a flat surface and draw a straight line across. This is just guiding you when you're ready to cut it off, but keep in mind to leave enough to make your strings at the front. So now I have the bottom piece that I cut off the shirt. I'm going to go ahead and cut that bottom piece into 2 halves. Starting with one piece, I'm going to fold it and sew straight along. Once I'm finished sewing it, then I'm just going to push over the right side. It'll be easier if you use a safety pin, but I couldn't find one at the moment, so I'm just using my hand to do this. I'm all done, then I can go ahead and sew it onto the front of the shirt. But before doing that, I'm just going to pin them down, try the shirt on one last time, and make sure that everything is all good and I don't have to make any more adjustments. Once I've done that, then I can go ahead and sew them on. Wow, this is how it looks when it's all done. I'm about to be making at least 5 more of these for my summer vacation. But if you loved this DIY, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.